Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove credit card from ChatGPT. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, if you don't want to add a replacement card, you must turn off auto renew first. Okay, so what you'll do basically to turn off auto renew, go ahead and open up ChatGPT, and then just go ahead over to your profile picture right here. Click on it. Now click on settings. Now go ahead and go to the accounts tab right here at the very bottom. Now, once you're in here, if you found a manage a subscription option, well, just go ahead and tap on it and then click on cancel plan or cancel subscription. If you don't have it in here, click on billing right here and you'll have that same exact option as well. Now, to go ahead and remove the credit card on that same exact account section or account tab, when you go ahead and click on manage right here, when you go ahead and click on manage, you'll have your payment method. Just click on the X button. And once that's done, follow the basic prompts, and once done, you're good to go. That's how simple it is to remove credit card from ChatGPT. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.